Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to draw Gohan step by step. Before I start this drawing, make sure to hit like and subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. For a drawing I am using HB pencil. First I am drawing rough sketch for a right proportion of body, then I will add details to it. Now I am detailing rough sketch by adding eyes, body cuts, clothes, etc. so it look well.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling.
For inking I am using 0.1 and 0.3 Sakura Pigma Microns.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn down.
For coloring I am using Camlin brush pens. Camlin brush pens are a water-based markers which are very good and reasonable. If you want to know how to use Camlin brush pens like a pro, so comment below and hit this video to 100 likes, and also share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.